Makers. In today's video we will be hacking the boring Chrome dinosaur game on Chrome browser to get the possible high score and to avoid the annoying game over message. To do all this we will be writing only 2 lines of code on Chrome browser itself. At the time of recording this video we have reached 400 subscribers, which means we got 400 Makers Group member. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button to join Makers Group. If you are online, navigate to chrome://dino to open the game online. After you open the game, right-click and press Inspect. Now go to Console and write runner.instance_.game over equals to function. Since the command is JavaScript, it is case sensitive, so that it is better to copy from the first part of the comment section or type carefully, just similar to me. In case if you wondered what this code does, it will set the game over function, which formerly returns game over message, to empty function, so that we will no longer see game over message and we can get unlimited high score. But the speed is also too slow. Let us make it fast by writing the command runner.instance_.setSpeed. Then you can set the value of the speed under parenthesis. If you enjoy the video, consider subscribing. Okay, let us play by changing the value of the speed. If you set the speed very high, it will be difficult even to see the dinosaur and the obstacles via your eye, and the score counter also cannot count properly and it will fluctuate up and down. Thank you for your time.